Ohm's law is probably the most fundamental relationship when it comes to circuits. It's the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. And experiment 22 in the Physics with Vernier book examines this. And to do the experiment, we're using a Vernier circuit board. We have a voltage sensor here and a go-direct current sensor, so it measures those two parameters in the circuit. I'm powering it with a power amplifier. It could be a variety of different power supplies. And if you'll notice here, you have, this is a voltage value and a current value from these. And if I close the circuit, we see that we end up with a voltage and a current there. And if I let the switch up, and if I vary that voltage, maybe I make the voltage higher, then we see that there's a relationship between those two variables. And so that's what the experiment does. And so let's take a look at the data here. When they did the experiment, they actually did 3 trials. They did one using the 10 ohm resistor. They did one using, I think, a 50 ohm resistor. And they did one using the light bulb instead. And so that's what the data that we have here. And so this one right here is the 10 ohm resistor. And what the lab asks you to do is to look at that relationship. What kind of relationship is it? So let's take a look at how you would do this. And so if I go to the graph tools here, and if I wanted to apply a curve fit, maybe I could do that and apply a fit to that. And the slope of this line here, I get 9.88, which is pretty close to the 10 value that we might expect there. So that's what the experiment has you investigate.